Okay. Well, apparently I didn't start it. It is 42424. April 24th, 24. Same front and back. So, yeah. Anyway, this is Williams, Philippines. And I'm William. Hope y'all had a good day. The peso's sitting about the same place. 57.5 pesos to the dollar. So it's up. And I tried to throw more money at Weiss and convert some there, and it doesn't go through. So I have extra problems there. On top of the fact that they're still didn't get my small loan taken care of, and it still shows me as having a zero balance, but owing $56 for my next payment. Yeah. I wonder if my blonde got out and did the accounting for me there. Hey, I claim it. I started off blonde, platinum, and I'm going back. Yeah. When it gets longer, you can see it better. Anyway, it is what it is. Yeah, trying to do the 3-ring circus. Got my part for my extension cord, so I got 2 new plugs to fix that. And got over to the bank, and the bank dragged on and on. I ended up spending a bit over an hour there. Wasn't good. Arguing with them about the Weiss card not working and trying to get the installment payment fixed. Yeah. They are working on it. But it didn't. What they did today apparently didn't show through to today, and is fighting, making it stay there. I'll call them again tomorrow and ask what's up, because it's still the same way. We'll see. Anyway, yeah, the battery for the lawnmower wasn't charged, so couldn't mow. And after spending an extra hour doing the bank, I really wasn't very enthusiastic. But I'm all set up, ready to go for in the morning. I just walk in, grab the one battery, and I can go out and start mowing. And oh man, it does need mowing. It's growed up faster than what I even want to admit to. Less than a week, or just a hair over a week, and it's gone 8-10 inches. Yeah. I might as well be in the Philippines, as green as it is around here today. Of course, give it another week and it'll all be brown, or going brown. It's the way it is around here. It rains, it greens, and pops up stuff, and then a week later it's back to brown, or tan, yellow, whatever you want to call it. Amarillo, yellow. There's a reason. Anyway, yeah, I'll be getting that and hopefully parts of the tree and stuff done today. Don't really have, like I said, this weekend doesn't have much planned for it, so I'm going to try to work around the house and get things done around the house. Wake up and do some packing for the garage sale, for the ham radio garage sale, and then when it gets light enough outside, get out there and start mowing and trimming. It'll be light enough when I get home today, but I was saying that for Thursday. I got to get this done. I don't think I got enough time, and I was listening to somebody talking about it only took them 4 months. But then again, I think that was in an apartment, so they didn't really have, that big of an area to go, and they don't have all the maintenance issues of dealing with a house. I am so wanting to get all that stuff rid of it. I am wanting a very minimalist's life. Yeah. Pack it up, and if I can't carry it on the bike or have it stored in a suitcase, I don't want it anymore. So yeah, I'm going to try to get a few things taken out of the house and set outside. Some fish tanks. I don't know, I got a dozen of them. So, yay. Hang on. Something to drink. Yay. I don't know. There. Kool-Aid stuff. I am past the coffee already. Of course, it's coming up on 5 o'clock in the morning, so yeah. I drank coffee until 3:30. So, yeah.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How you doing today?
I'm doing pretty good, and you?
What time you gotta start breakfast down here?
6 to 9.
All right, that sounds good.
Yes,
What
sir.
time I'll bring down my cup for more coffee.
That's an option.
All right.
Have a good day.
There you do.
All right. Sorry, a guest came through. So. Wait. I don't know about y'all, but I do the in-loop batteries, the rechargeable ones, and they're good. I highly recommend always keeping those going. What is this thing? Cancel. Apparently my messing with that is messing with things. Did it still go? Yes, it's still going. Okay. Thought I disconnected or something. Probably should. Anyway, no edit. Yeah, I got the confirmation. One of them actually shows it's left the place it's where they did it, and it's already on the way. So I got one of my either the little plug or the cable, I don't remember which. But I got some of both coming this direction, and they should be here possibly Friday, Saturday, but more likely Monday, Tuesday. They gave me that window, so yay. I hope they get early. Make it a little easier. But yeah, the video talking about her only taking 4 months to do everything. Like I said, there's one video of a gal that says she sold everything in 4 months, and I'm like, I don't see how. But she didn't have house maintenance, so yeah, maintenance of a house is a lot of extra work thrown in. Trying to, yeah, just get out and mow the lawn and trim the trees and get around to cleaning up things enough to do a paint job. But it is what it is, and I'm going to try to get a little bit of this, a little bit of that done this weekend, and be ready to carry stuff over on Saturday for the garage sale. Still haven't found the little CB the guy wanted. I know it's here somewhere. But yeah, I'll start shifting things around and give it a go. Anyway. Morning. Anyway, this is William from Williams, Philippines. And y'all have a good day later. Blessings. Bye-bye. I'm Fish, and Fish is out.